Hi, this is Pradeep. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Pradeep Virtual Academy, and today I am going to present GPAT practice paper series number 17. So let us start solving these problems, but before solving, please read following instructions. So there are 25 questions and total time is 25 minutes. Each question has 1 minute to answer. There are 4 options. You have to choose the correct one, and each correct answer will carry 4 marks. Take a plain paper and pen. You have 40 seconds to write down the correct answer of your choice. After 40 seconds, the correct answer will be displayed on the screen in green color. So please compare your answer with the correct one and assess yourself. Question number 1. Which of the following ergot alkaloid is water soluble and shows blue fluorescence? Your options are A. Ergocine, B. Ergotamine, C. Ergometrin, and D. Ergocristin. And the correct answer is option C. Ergometrin. Question number 2. Gold beater test is used to detect the presence of which one of following classes of compounds? Your options are A. Tannins, B. Steroids, C. Glycerides, and D. Resins. And the correct answer is option A. Tannins. Question number 3. Which of the following species is being inactivated by the enzyme dipeptidyl peptidase 4 DPP4? Your options are A. Oxytocin, B. Vasopressin, C. Incretins, and D. Glucagon. And the correct answer is option C. Incretin. Question number 4. Which of the emergency contraceptive have which one of the following active ingredient? Your options are A. Estradiol, B. Norethindrone, C. Misoprostol, and D. Levonorgestrel. And the correct answer is option D. Levonorgestrel. Question number 5. Prostaglandin used in the treatment of postpartum hemorrhage is, your options are carboprost, B. latanoprost, C. bimatoprost, and D. travoprost. And the correct answer is option A, carboprost. Question number 6. Which one of the following AT2 receptors antagonists sartans does not possess tetrazole moiety in the structure? Your options are A. losartan, B. irbesartan, C. telmisartan, and D. valsartan. And the correct answer is option C, telmisartan. Question number 7. Which drug is associated with hepatic/renal toxic metabolite N-acetyl parabenzoquinone? Your options are A. diclofenac, B. meclofenamate, C. indomethacin, D. acetaminophen. And the correct answer is option D, acetaminophen. Question number 8. Regarding two-compartment pharmacokinetics, all are true except your options are A drug is always removed from peripheral compartment, B. A drug with high volume of distribution is likely to be lipophilic, C. A drug can have short duration of action while being eliminates very slowly, D. Most anesthetic drugs are modeled well with two-compartment model. And the correct answer is option A. A drug is always removed from peripheral compartment. Question number 9. Vitamin K is constituted of which of the following ring? Your options are A. hydroquinone, B. naphthoquinones, C. lunones, D. dengamidazole. And the correct answer is option B, naphthoquinones. Question number 10. Which one of the following is used in MS test? Your options are A. E. coli, B. Streptococcus aureus, C. Pseudomonas or aeruginosa, and D. Salmonella typhimurium. And the correct answer is option D. Salmonella typhimurium. Question number 11. Zinc chloride is added to mouthwash because it acts as, your options are A. fragrance, B. astringent, C. cooling agent, and D. antibacterial. And the correct answer is option B. astringent. Question number 12. Sieve size 80 has opening of, your options are A. 0.100 millimeter, B. 0.125 millimeter, C. 0.150 millimeter, D. 0.180 millimeter. The correct answer is option D. 0.180 millimeter. Question number 13. Opium, coca, poppy straw are given in, your options are A. Schedule H, B. Schedule X, C. Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1998, and D. Schedule C. And the correct answer is option B. Schedule X. Question number 14. The disintegration time of the effervescent tablet is, your options are A. 2 minutes, B. 24 minutes, C. 3 to 5 minutes, 2 minutes, B. 2 to 4 minutes, C. 3 to 5 minutes, and D. 5 minutes. And the correct answer is option D. 5 minutes. Question number 15. Chemokine C O receptor 5, that is CCR5 inhibitor is, your options are A. Enfuviritide, B. Marvaviroc, C. Raltegravir, D. Adjanavir. And the correct answer is option B. Marvaviroc. Question number 16. How the wetting agent acts in the suspension? Your options are A. Increase contact angle between substance and solvent, B. Reduce contact angle between substance and solvent, C. No change in contact angle between substance and solvent, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option B. Reduce contact angle between substance and solvent. Question number 17. Inadequate drying during coating of tablet leads to which coating defect? Your options are A. Chipping, B. Lamination, C. Motting, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is option A. Chipping. Question number 18. Which of the following does not produce azeotropic mixture with water? Your options are A. Methanol, B. Ethanol, C. Propanol, and D. Isopropanol. And the correct answer is option C. Propanol. Question number 19. Which one of the following anthelmintics having immunosuppressant activity? Your options are A. Piperazine, B. Levamisole, C. Ivermectin, and D. Niclosamide. And the correct answer is option B. Levamisole. Question number 20. Which of the following is not included in immunization program as per WHO recommendation for all children? Your options are A. BCG, B. Oral polio, C. Measles, and D. Typhoid. And the correct answer is option A, BCG. Question number 21. The clinical trial is being conducted with 1,500 volunteers, which may span on period of 2 years as per protocol. The clinical trial is in which phase? Your options are A. phase 1, B. phase 2, C. phase 3, and D. phase 4. And the correct answer is option C, phase 3. Question number 22. Which type of antibodies involved in hypersensitivity reaction? Your options are A. IgG and IgD, B. IgG and IgM, C. IgD and IgA, D. IgM and IgD. And the correct answer is option B, IgG and IgM. Question number 23. Which schedule provides guidelines for conduct of clinical trials of new drugs in India? Your options are A. Schedule T, B. Schedule U, C. Schedule V, D. Schedule Y. And the answer is option D, Schedule Y. Question number 24. The key concept of total quality management TQM is. Your options are A. Total control of all quality related activities, B. Commitment of all employees to quality improvement and having team meetings, C. Top management direct involvement, D. The introduction of ISO 9000 series. And the correct answer is option C, top management direct involvement. Question number 25. At equilibrium, the receptor occupancy is related to drug concentration given by which equation? Your options are A. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, B. Hill-Langmuir equation, C. Lineweaver-Burke equation, and D. Langmuir adsorption isotherm. And the correct answer is option B, Hill-Langmuir equation. So friends, thanks for watching and solving the problems. I hope you should have liked it. You must like it. So please like it, share it, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Pradeep Virtual Academy, and I wish you all the best for your GPAT exams. Thank you.